Hi, in this video, I'm going to introduce a new app to you called V0. Before we jump into V0, let me explain how LLM non-coding tools work. At the highest level for non-technical folks like you and me, Lovable is the best way to get started. It works at the highest conceptual level of the app itself, and you're just building an app. But this means that you are getting very little control as a builder. Remember what I taught you about things like landing pages and navigation bars? These things are called components. And V0 is a tool that builds these individual components rather than an entire app. This means that V0 gives you control at the component level, one step down from the app level. And you can create more specialized components with more powerful functions. Okay, enough rambling from me. Let's get started. I want you to go to v0.app and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you're going to see a chat bar similar to Lovable. If you click the plus icon, you can add pictures or even add designs from Figma to turn into components, an extra level of control that Lovable doesn't quite have at this stage. If you click on the settings, you'll realize that V0 has a lot more powerful features, like generating images, instructions, and even design systems. Design systems refer to consistent colors, themes, and designs that an app uses, and now you can control for this in V0. Now, to show you the level of control you have in V0, I'm going to show you a quick demo. Suppose you go to a website that you like. I'm here at SkillX, which is a website that offers online courses for entrepreneurs. The landing page looks pretty cool and customized. Nothing like the generic landing pages that Lovable creates. Every time you mouse over the image, the landing page morphs, which is a pretty cool effect. Now suppose you want to do this. You can take 3 screenshots of their landing page to illustrate how their landing page animates. Then you go back to V0, ask it to build a landing page in the same style, and then on top of that, you upload all 3 screenshots as reference material of how the animation is achieved when your mouse hovers over the images. Once you're done with this prompt, click submit and let V0 work at it. And this is what I mean when I say you've greater control. V0 is able to control fine details at the level of components and create customized components of your app for you, which you might find a lot harder to do, or maybe it's more expensive to create in Lovable. Once you're done in V0, you can then copy the component code and paste it into Lovable. And that's it for this video. I hope that you've learned that while there are many LLM building apps out there, they all serve a specific purpose. But as long as you know the basics, you can interchange use between them at your will. In the next video, I'm going to show you another tool called Cursor, which provides you even more control down to the level of code. See you there.